Azure is a big place and changes fast. This is great, because it means that a customer can choose flexibly which service or feature to use depending on the needs. But it can also be difficult to know which option is the best one for a specific use case. In this video, we will shortly describe some of resources, websites, ways which you could use to stay up to date with Azure. If you don't know where to start, try Get Started with Azure page. Watch short tutorials on how to use Azure and start building projects right away. You can also join a weekly webinar, which provides demos of Azure basics and provides ongoing access to experts. For these who enjoy in-person events, you can join community-led meetups, where you can learn from your peers about solutions to common problems, fun projects, and what is new in Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Learn is a free, online training platform that provides interactive learning paths for Azure developers, solution architects, and administrators. It is a completely free, open training platform available to anyone who has an interest to learn about Microsoft products. You can access all learning content without a profile. You can easily get to relevant content by selecting your role and by following learning paths that guide you through topics. Take a look at Azure services and features with the Microsoft engineering team by watching Azure Friday. This free show is hosted by Scott Hanselman, who interview members from the Azure product teams about updates and new features. Azure Tips and Tricks site is a special collection, hundreds of tips in form of blog posts and videos that span the entire universe of the Azure platform. The tips you'll find here are based on real-world scenarios. Becoming a Microsoft Azure certified professional is a great opportunity not only learn about Azure, but also show that you are keeping pace with today's technical roles and requirements. Microsoft now has 12 Microsoft Azure certifications with 14 exams, which are organized into 3 levels: Fundamental, Associate, and Expert. These certifications purely focus on building knowledge and skills related to market job roles. A great way to stay up to date with Azure is to check Azure Updates. It shows the latest updates from the various Azure teams, which include product and roadmap updates and announcements. You can also subscribe to the RSS feed of this website, so that you can receive the updates in your favorite RSS reader. And last but definitely not least, is the Azure Architecture Center. This is a treasure trove of architectural Azure information. You can find reference and sample architectures, best practices, and more.